Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. We are happy you are here.
Hi friends, welcome to our English cooking video in our home.
Today you will learn easy kitchen words and phrases for cooking breakfast.
The English level is A1 with some B1, so beginners can follow.
Please subscribe to our channel and learn English with real home situations.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Good morning, Jessica. Are you ready to cook something special today?
Good morning, Ryan. Yes, I want to make a fancy breakfast.
Okay, what do we need for this breakfast recipe step by step?
We need eggs, milk, butter, flour, sugar, and fresh fruit on top.
So we will use a pan, a bowl, a whisk, and a measuring cup.
Yes, and we will mix the batter and then cook it slowly.
The recipe says heavy cream, but we only have regular milk here.
Oh no, I wanted it perfect. Maybe the recipe will not work.
Do not worry, maybe we can find a simple substitution online.
Good idea. Let us use this problem to practice English and solve it.
Okay, I will search for heavy cream substitution for breakfast recipes.
While you search, I will think of other ingredients we have.
Here it says we can mix milk and melted butter as a substitute.
That sounds simple. So we can replace heavy cream with this mixture.
Let us teach a phrase. You can substitute milk and butter for cream.
Yes, and another phrase is, what can I use instead of cream?
Wait, Jessica, our friends are coming for breakfast in 1 hour.
Oh no, I completely forgot. Now the cooking problem is more serious.
Okay, we have a plan. Let us go fix this breakfast.
Yes, we will use substitutions and stay calm. Let us hurry back.
I will gently heat the milk so it mixes better with butter.
I will measure exactly 1 cup of milk, not more.
The verb simmer means to heat slowly, not to boil strongly.
And melt means to change something solid, like butter, into liquid.
Now we combine our substitute cream with flour and sugar for batter.
I whisk the batter until it is smooth. There are no big lumps.
The batter looks good, but we will see when it starts to cook.
I will prepare the fruit topping, so the plates are ready quickly.
Okay, it is not perfect. The first one broke, but it still tastes fine.
Yes, sometimes recipes fail, but we can still learn and enjoy breakfast.
The guests will arrive soon. I hope they like this simple version.
It is not restaurant food, but it shows creativity and problem solving.
I learned that asking for advice quickly can really save a situation.
And I learned that substitutions are useful, and perfection is not always necessary.
Friends, today we practice cooking words like whisk, melt, simmer, and substitute.
We also practiced asking for advice, like, what can I use instead of cream?
Thank you for watching our breakfast adventure. Goodbye, everyone, and goodbye, Jessica. Until next time.
Thank you for learning with us. Bye, everyone, and bye, Ryan. See you soon. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Maybe the recipe will not work. Maybe softens the message. Do not worry. Negative imperative for support. Good idea. Short praise keeps tone warm. Alternative. Okay, we have a plan. Let us go fix this breakfast. Let us suggest together action. Let us hurry back. Softer than direct commands. I completely forgot. Past simple shows a finished past. Completely adds emphasis. Okay, we have a plan. Present simple states a plan. I whisk the batter until it is smooth. Present simple for process steps. There are no big lumps. There are introduces existence. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Okay, it is not perfect. Not makes a gentle negative. The guests will arrive soon. Will plus verb shows future. I hope they like this simple version. Hope is a polite wish. What can I use instead of cream? Polite help question with can. Instead of shows replacement, story also uses replace with. Story also uses substitute for. Compare for versus with after verbs. Kitchen verbs appear in the story. Words: whisk, melt, simmer, substitute. Whisk equals beat to mix air. Melt equals make solid become liquid. Simmer equals heat slowly, not boiling. Thank you for learning with us. I will show when to use them in real life. We focus on sentence structure. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our kitchen. Greeting plus welcome clause. Inclusive everyone feels warm. We are happy you are here. Present R states feeling. Good morning, Jessica. Polite morning greeting. Good morning, Ryan. Pattern. Are you ready to cook? Yes, I want to make a fancy breakfast. Pattern. Want to plus verb. Use it for goals or plans.